What's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can increase your iPhone storage. So I've got many comments over my videos that how I can increase my iPhone storage, whether should I go for 64GB iPhone variant or whether should I go for 128GB of storage variant. So in this video I'm going to share you some of the tips and tricks that I personally use to maintain the storage, and also some of the operating system hacks or system tips and tips that might help you to increase your storage or manage your storage better. So this video I'm gonna use this iPhone XR, which is my primary device. So I'm gonna show you some of the tips and tricks that might be helpful. I would recommend you to watch this video till the end so that you get to know about all the tips and tricks that I'm going to talk about in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But before that, if you're new here on my channel and happen to enjoy the kind of videos that I make on this channel, then do give this video a thumbs up, and also it would mean the world to me if you do subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first things first, let me go to the settings and let me go to the general, and let's first talk about my phone. So this is an iPhone XR and it's on iOS 14.4. As you can see, it's iPhone XR, and let me go to this capacity option. So as you can see, it's a 64GB, as you can see here. And out of 64GB right now, after installing all the applications, I have 32.3GB available as of now. So I have a lot of application installed, and lot of phone memories been captured by photos and videos, stuffs like that. So let me first show you what are the available applications are there on my phone. So if I scroll through the settings, you can see these are all the applications that are installed and taking lot of the storage spaces. So the first tip would be, if you are having a new iPhone, you would be filled with lot of applications like iMovie, Pages, Keynotes, Apple default application that you might not be using, and those might be sitting in one of the folders, and you might never not use that application for the rest of your life. So you better go to the folders and check which of the application that you are not using. And for suppose, let's say this iTunes store, I'm not using this application, but it is taking most of my spaces. So I'm just going to remove that app and delete the app. So as you can see, just like that, so you can see this books option. So if I don't use that application, so better remove that application. So this way you can identify the number of applications that you are actually not using on your iPhone, and you can delete that. So this is the number one tip. And then for the number two, let me go to my settings and let me again go to the general. So first let me go to the general. So then again we'll go to this iPhone storage. So here you'll get a list of application, what application is taking how much of your storage. So as you can see, 31.6GB is used out of 64GB as of now, as you can see on the screen. So these are the application that is using most of my spaces from top to bottom. So as you can see, WhatsApp is 2.33GB. Now if I tap on this application, as you can see, the application size is only 75.3MB, but the documents and data captured by this application is 2.25GB. And that's true for all the application. Let's say this podcast application that I always listen to. So this is called Overcast. So if I tap on this application, as you can see, the application size is only 5.8MB, and the documents and data captured by that application is 465.5MB. So what you can do, you can offload the unused app. So what basically it will do, it will keep all the settings that you have with that application. Maybe you have the account logged in, you have some preferences set to that particular application. It will keep all the settings if you just offload that application, and whenever you require it, maybe you don't use that application too much, so maybe once in 2 weeks or once in a month, so you can, whenever require, you can download that from the App Store. So that's the tip number 2. So now let me go and scroll at the bottom. So you can see that here it says system files are taking 7.74GB. as you can see, it's iOS 14.4, and system files are taking 7.74GB of storage space, and this is something that you cannot do. So this is the system files that are obviously going to consume some of the space, but what you can do about is the other. So other files, it says 5.96 gigabyte is captured by other. Now what this other means basically, so it says system data includes cache, logs and other resources currently used by the system. So there is no option you can delete it from here. But what I have found is, so you all know about Safari, so let me show you. So as you can see, within this Safari we have an option which says clear history and website data. Now if I click that and click on clear history and website data, it's gonna take some time and it is gonna clear all the cache and bookmark and stuffs like that, history. It will clear out the history and the website cookies and stuffs like that. So because of which you will notice a change in the other storage. Now let me again go back to this iPhone storage and let me now see. It will again recalculate the iPhone storage for the others, and you will see that there is a difference now. So one more step is, if you have this iPhone, and let me show you my subscription section as well. So as you can see, this is my iCloud subscription section, and it says that I have only used 16.9 GB out of 50 GB. Now I am a content creator, so sometimes I do take photos and videos and I have to use those content in my YouTube videos. So what I do, I take and I shoot with my iPhone, and because of which the 64 gigabytes fill automatically. So what I have done, if I go to this manage storage option, so let me show you that I have purchased a storage plan of 50 GB. So trust me guys, you might be thinking that this is a paid option, but trust me, this storage plan 50 GB as per this Apple, it will only cost you 75 rupees per month. Now if you are a heavy user and if you have 64 gigabytes of iPhone, and if you use your iPhone extensively to take photos and videos and have tons and tons of application, you better pay 75 rupees per month, out of which you will get 50 GB of iCloud storage, on through which you can save your videos. You can automatically do your phone backup and automatically your videos would be uploaded to iCloud, and it will be applied throughout all the Apple devices you have. This 50 GB is applicable for my MacBook, this 50 GB is applicable for my iPad and stuffs like that. So this 50 GB is enough for me. So as you can see, out of which photos is taking 12.3 gigabyte. Now backup is taking, so it will have a backup section in which, as you can see, my iPhone's backup is there, my iPad's backup is there. So backup is taking around 3.7 gigabytes. So prior purchasing this plan, I was actually facing a problem backing up my iPhone. So if something happens with my iPhone, I was not able to complete the backup. So as you can see right now, it has taken the backup, last backup few days back, and it is consuming 3.77 gigabytes, and it is actually safely stored in my iCloud. So as I'm trying to make you understand that if you're an extensive user, go for this 50 GB plan. So it costs 75 rupees per month. It will save you from lot of hassle. So those were some of the tips and tricks and some of my suggestions that will help you manage your storage better. And as always guys, so clear out all the applications that you don't use on day-to-day basis. You might be having an application that you might not even notice. So maybe applications are sitting in deep down some of the folders and you're not seeing and using that application for months and months. So try and find that application and try to delete that application. It will help you increase the storage of your iPhone. So those were some of the tips and tricks I think are helpful and you can actually use to increase the storage of your iPhone. If you have any iPhone, let's suppose if you have a 32 gigabytes iPhone as well, these tips and tricks would be applied to those iPhones as well. So then again, I hope you like this short video. If you do like this video, give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.